Falko OC three-way kit installation. Supply and return are located on the left side, looking frontally at the air supply port. Hydraulic connection kits, both in three-way valve and two-way valve versions, can be fitted to the device. The three-way valve kit, code TGCL47, consists of one-piece three-way valve with 4 ports with increased passage KVS equals 4, 4 pieces of gaskets, 2 pieces 3/4 inch male-female extensible hoses. The supply is marked by in, the return by out. An air vent is fixed on the return. Remove the plastic plugs protecting the threads. Attach the flexible stainless hoses to the valve. Connect the plumbing kit to the connections on the unit. Make sure the 4-connection valve is oriented as in the figure. Pay attention to the flow symbol stamped on the valve body. The uninsulated parts of the valve must be within the condensate drain pan, otherwise proceed to insulate the pipes.